Today, I'm making Atwood's Feed Everyone Wheat Germ Muffins from the CanLit Foodbook, which was compiled and illustrated by Margaret Atwood, the author of The Handmaid's Tale. This recipe calls for 3 eggs, 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup oil, 3 cups buttermilk, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons baking soda, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 3 cups wheat germ, 1 teaspoon salt, two teaspoons vanilla. And if you'd like to read the full recipe, you can find it in the description down below, or follow the link provided where you can read the entire CanLit Foodbook absolutely free. These are delicious muffins, and I hope you'll give them a try.